Good morning, student of class 6. Today I am going to start the next part of chapter number 4. Our chapter heading is presentation using animation effects. This is a second part of chapter number 4 of class 6, and our heading of this part is slide transitions. And students, you know and learn about animation effects, animation in previous video. What is animation? Animation is a special feature for pay attention to the audience, and this feature we convince to the audience for view my presentation, my program. And this feature use many more features aid through set the animation effect. Now our next topic of this chapter is slide transition. While we watch any kind of video, movie or cartoons on our system, on our TV, so you may have noticed that one scene is in, then next scene display inside a screen. So this is a slide transitions animation. So slide transitions, while rewatching film and cartoon, you may have noticed how the next scene begins when one scene is in, then next scene begins. The way one slide follows the other on the screen. This feature is called slide transition. Means when we watch the movie, one scene begins, and after in the one scene, our next scene is displayed. This feature used by slide and set this feature by slide transitions. So steps to how to set the slide transition effects in our documents, in our PowerPoint. So our first steps for set the slide transition effects in our program, our slides. First of all, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Then after open Microsoft PowerPoint, we have follow second step. Our second step is create a new slide. If or any slides not created, firstly create a new slide. Otherwise, if slide already created and saved in PowerPoint, so select the slide on which you want to set the slide transitions, and then follow third step. Our third step is click on the transitions tab. After select the slides, then go to transition tab and click on the transition tab. After click transition tab, click on the more arrow button in the transitions to the slide groups to display all the transitions effects. After click on the transition effects, many more transition effects available, and display the arrow buttons, and then choose any one of this list. Many more transition effects present. After select transitions tab, and then choose anyone in all list of effects. After to the transitions effects, then click on the effects option in the transition to the slide group. After select the transition effect, click on the effect option available in the slides group. Then click on the desired effect to select an effect for the chosen transition. After click on the effect option, you have select a particular effect that is applied in our transition effects. Then click on the timing groups, and after follow 7 steps, we go to 8 steps. If you want to set the timing of the display, timing of the duration of time display in transition effect, we set the timing for the duration of time, and then set the time. You go to timing group and set the time, and after set the time, we also set the sound to display after running our PowerPoint presentation. So we also set the sound to display any kinds of sound, and after follow 8 steps, we have go to our next step. Our next step is click on the apply to all. After set the all kinds of settings, we have set the and click on the apply to all in the timing group. Apply to all present in the timing group. After click on the apply to all in the timing group. Finally, our transition effect set in our documents. After follow these steps, we have run the program. So press the enter key or press any other key for running the PowerPoint. After running the PowerPoint, we have noticed that my PowerPoint presentation documents timing group also show, and also we set the sound for this transition effects. So after running this program, we have noticed all that kinds we set our presentation display after running this PowerPoint presentation. This is a second part of chapter number 4th of class 6, and in our next video we will discuss our next topic. Thank you.